Okay, so I'm going to take you to where you can build your free mobile application. So I went to this Instagram page, the Lauren underscore. I went to the link in the bio and I clicked on build your own mobile application. And I'm going to leave this link for you down below in the description just so that you can have easy access to it. So the name of the platform is called Zap Builder, building apps in a Zap. Get it? Ha ha ha. So it's for restaurants, salons, barbershops, community schools, retail stores, basically any small business or brand who wants a digital presence and access to digital marketing tools. But this also works for nonprofit organizations. So welcome to Zap Builder. Basically, this is where you're going to build your beautiful, mobile application. Type in your name. So I'm just going to give you pseudo information. Let's see. Let's go to .com. My number is 555-5555. And as a nonprofit organization, I would fall under community. And I have a name for my app. And yes, you can email me because I need my information. So it's going to take you to the humanity page. Select I am not a robot, obviously. And go ahead and hit subscribe. And then this is very, very important. We know that the human attention span is like on goldfish right now, but you really need to pay attention and start reading things in 2021. That's very important. So thank you for signing up to gain access to our mobile app builder platform. Here are your next steps. It's only 2 steps. Step 1 is click here to begin your monthly subscription and start building a mobile application for your business or brand. Upon completing step 1, you will receive an email from us with your login and username and a link to sign into your portal. Step 3 is sign in and start designing your masterpiece. So I'm going to click here. It's going to take me directly to the portal where I purchased the platform. I'm going to type in my information, boom, hit pay, and then I will receive an email with my username and password to sign in. You may want to wait up until 1 to 2 days to receive your login information, but honestly, it may be a little shorter than that. So make sure you're checking your spam folders and make sure you keep checking your email. It's going to come from, I think, support@theconnectapps.com. And I'll leave that information in the description below. So once you get that email, it's going to take you directly to this link right here, login.zapbuilder.com. You type in the username that you were given, your username, where it says email, and then the password that she gives you. So, boom. After you do that, it'll take you directly to the page where we can start developing or building your app. So let me type in the password. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right. Here we go. So exciting. Gorgeous. How beautiful and simple is this software? Okay, welcome guys. I'm going to take you through how to make your own mobile application using the Zap Builder. So once you reach out to them and tell them you want an app, they will send you your login information. Once you have that login information, you type it in here. I'm just going to do a sample one. sample, and then 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 4, 5. Okay, so this is going to be your back page where you build the application out. So, excuse me. I have 1,000 tabs open, so mine is going to move a little slow. So you want to work on your back page first. I'm going to show you how to make a simple one using Canva. Canva is a free platform where you can create literally everything. I have the premium version, which means I can use photos and resize my pictures, but you can do this for free. Canva.com. So I'm starting off with the basic, name of my organization. I'm going to go to Elements, Grid, get a background, go to Photos, try and find a photo that relates to my nonprofit organization. If you work with kids, use children. If you work with schools, use schools in the background, universities. I'm just going to use people. Click and drag. Elements again. I'm going to scroll all the way up to a regular box. Make that box fit the whole back screen of my app. I'm going to make this black. Push it to the back, of course. Make it black. And then I'm going to make it opaque to give it that nice professional look. Of course, my letters don't stand out as much, so I'm going to make the letters white for contrast. Alright, then I'm going to make sure I download this, just page 1. That's all I need. Helping people, helping you. You guys remember that commercial? That helping people. Yeah, just ignore my singing. It's horrible. So, I'm going to download, make sure it's in PNG. Just the first page. That's all I need. And like I said, I'm pretty much overclocking my computer right now. So, it's not going to perform at its fastest. I need to go ahead and optimize and clean out my computer. Alright. So, your menus. You can have a slide out, a grid, a scrolling menu, or a tab bar, which sits at the bottom or the side, whichever one you want. Background, I'm always going to do black. Just on the safe side. Branding, here's where you can add your logo to the center of the screen. My back screen is basically everything. That's what I just built inside of Canva. So I'm going to go to my downloads and then set that up and select. Always, 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 always save your work. Always. So, like I said, mine's moving a little slow. I have a lot of tabs open, like 48 tabs open. So, boom. Now, there's actually little buttons up there. You can't see them because they're brown. So, what I'm going to do is just go ahead and make sure I fix all of my color contrast now. So, this team of app developers is super helpful. So, if you ever need them to help you design, or if you have questions, you can just reach out to them. Excuse me. At the top it says resources and support. You can always reach out to them and have them help you. I think they charge like a little small fee to help design your app if you don't, if you're not catching on to this very quickly. But it's really nifty, and it's free for nonprofit organizations. All you would have to pay for is your maintenance and upkeep and debugging, which is like $65 a month. Okay, so you see that there's white font here, and you can't really see it. But my UI buttons are now white. So you can see where it says events and you can see the buttons. But the actual letters here are white. So you want to make that visible. And that was the events tab too. So of course, any nonprofit, if you have events that are coming up, you can post that in your app. Here are sample tabs that I was playing with earlier. Menu text color is brown. Menu background color is white. That looks kind of good, so I'll keep it. Home screen short color. So this is what we need. Home screen shortcut color. So we can't see them now, so let's go ahead and change that to, let's do a nice green to offset those puzzle pieces. Let's see how that works out for us. Save, always, always, always save your work. Let's see how that looks. It looks nifty. Awesome. Right. Let's see. Now, let's build out the menu. Like your main menu. So I'm just going to start taking out, sorry, I had to get something to drink. I'm just going to start taking out some of these tabs because we don't need them. And I don't want to confuse you first starting off. Let's keep that one. Remove that one completely. Alright, I think this is good. We can work from here. Yeah, we'll fix that later. Website and messages, which are your push notifications. So let's start with About Us. Let me show you how to add a contact list. So add contact. This platform is super simple. A directory or a person. Let's see. Let's put in a name. About our mission. Can't spell. To save my life. About our mission. Put it in miles. Because we're in the United States. You can upload your photos here. So 750, 400. Keep in mind that you can always go back to Canva and create your own sizes. That's why Canva is so great. So throughout this platform, it'll give you different little designs. Recommended sizes. You just put them in here, create your image, and download it. But for now, I'm going to use just another one to fill in until, just to give you an idea of how it works. Let's say I uploaded my picture for my organization, and it's like, let's say that's a school photo, and I have a school nonprofit organization. It's going to look really, really nice. Let me go ahead and add a description so that people can understand our mission. Okay, I'm going to double click on the screen here and change my font to black. And it's not working. Let's try this again. Black, please. Thank you. So we are a cool nonprofit. So that's where you can add your description. Always save. Now let's check it out. Let's see how it looks. Okay, you can't see these. Let's go ahead and change the font to black. I'm going to enable my custom design. I'm going to scroll all the way down to let's see, this not the right one. We're gonna, sorry. I'm an idiot, a complete idiot. Okay, so main text color. We need that to be black so that we can actually see over top of the white boxes. So does that make sense? Awesome. Let's click on what we just created. About our mission. So when people log onto your app, they're going to go to the About Us, and then they're going to see what the mission is about. Boom. These two empty white boxes here are images, and we don't really need that. So let's go back to content and fix that right now. Get that out of the way. About our mission, and then let's just put something like, come see what we're about. Also, let's put in some website and email information too, so that when people come to the About Us, they can give us a call, visit our website, etc. But let's see how it looks first. Like I said, mine is loading very slow. I have like 80 tabs open. See? About our mission, come see About Us. Come see what we're about. And people can leave comments. So let's go add contact information. I'm putting in a sample email, a sample number, just so that you can see. How it'll look. And you can have as many of these tabs as you want. So you can have About Us, Meet Our Team, you know, how we operate, or you could have everything in one tab. So they'll be able to go to your website, email you, or call you directly from this page. Like, it doesn't get any cooler than this, especially for a free app. Events. We are having a fundraising fish fry. You can add all this info here. Again, I mistakenly, and you're not going to need to go change the main text color every single time. I just didn't do it under design. If you look all the way to the left, it says create, design, build. Under the design is where I will claim the black main text throughout the entire app. But because I didn't do that earlier, now I'm going through every single one and doing it, and I don't recommend that. So they also have this nifty calendar icon in the top right corner where you can see like a bird's eye view of the calendar. You can add an event. It's super self-explanatory. Contact forms. This is where they can submit a form and it comes directly to your email. So let's put reach out, or how about contact us? Let's keep it simple. Contact us. And then where it says add new custom form, then you can put name, email, I need their address, their phone number, and your issue. Messages, again, are push notifications. Let's go and add a donate button. That's pretty important. There's multiple ways you can do this. I'm going to show you one way. And let's go to merchandise or food ordering. Let's see. I see they changed a couple of things. Let's see. Let's try the tab menu. Well, merchandise. They'll give you a sample of what each thing does. I'm going to type in donate here. It'll give me the donate button. I can use my Shopify account, a custom cart. I do recommend Stripe. and then to put the secret API key in here. If you need assistance with that, go to the top, email the developers, and they will help you with that. I'm going to add a tab now, make a donation. You gotta have a category and an item. It's not gonna work with just the category. So you could have it where the price of the item is $0, and in the tip, that's where they'll select or put in how much they want to donate. We don't ever want to run out of donations, so as you can see, the save button is kind of like grayed out almost. It's not letting me save my my recent changes. What I want to do is make sure everything is filled in. Correction. That 0 didn't need to be changed. It can stay $0. I just need to put no mobile payment here. And let's see how this comes out. Make a donation. As you can see, here it is. It looks pretty plain. Everything looks black and like kind of weird. So I'm going to enable, again, change the screen background to this, add a blur effect to it, and then save it. And now let's look how much better this looks now. Much better. So when they go here, they're able to put in their donations. So my background is kind of peeking through. It's not really opaque or frosted right now, so that's going to be a problem. So you can always change the background and add to the cart, place order, and then they can go ahead and submit their donation that way. This is a little harder to play out, but I'm going to show you an easier way to do this. So see, this one's a little bit complicated. It's more so for retail stores and things of that sort. So if you already have a website where you take donations, then that'll be the best way to go. So I'm going to show you how to do that next. It's very simple. Like I said, if you go to resources and support, you can contact them directly if you need design help, or if you have a question about, you know, how your nonprofit app will work, or if you want them to help you design it. Like I said earlier, they're extremely helpful. So there's some resources there. Okay, so it's basically all you would need for a nonprofit app. It's just information, events, how to contact you, and what else? Yeah, a place for them to donate. Now, if you wanted to add in more, you could, like a podcast or YouTube channel. You're more than welcome to do that. Let's see. Now, let me show you what to do if you already have a website up already. So you go to your own website. I'm gonna try to find a sample one. No. So you would go to your website, and your donate button, and you would take the URL from the top. Settle down. Go to your website tab. It's always in parentheses. I'm going to add a web view. And I'm going to put donate. So people know you can come there to make your donation. Open in a new browser only if you decide to get a web application. And I'll explain that in a different video. But let me change this to black so that you can see. Why do you say that? What is the purpose of him saying that? So if you have a web application, you can't put a website within and the web app will be considered a website as well. So you can't do that. But let me show you how to take that off. I'm going to move this up to the top because I want that to be first. I want them to see that they can make a donation first. And then unclick open in a new browser, save it, and then let me show you how it'll look. I'm going to the app preview, make a donation. Yeah. And boom, they can make a donation directly from. They can make a donation directly from the mobile application. So, like I said, this is just a nifty way to get a nonprofit app or an app for your nonprofit organization at a fraction of the cost. So right now, they're doing these apps basically for free, and you are able to just pay $65 a month. That covers your platform, the back page that's being viewed right now. You get to customize it to your liking, color schemes, everything. Like I said, if you need help, you're more than welcome to reach out, and I'll leave all of that information in the subscription below. But yeah, I hope this helped you out a lot. I would definitely, if you even have a problem with the $65 a month, then I'm pretty sure that you're going to have a problem with anything regarding business and, organization wise, because nothing in life is like for free. So, you have to make these investments and you have to put out money in order to get it back. It's a Jewish principle. The Christians practice that same principle. And it's just the law of money. You really have to put out to get back. So don't be afraid of a little $65 a month. It's definitely a lot better than paying $4,000 and up for an actual mobile application. And I'm very grateful that we do have this platform to build mobile applications. It's amazing. So, like I said, I will leave I'll leave the description. I'm sorry, I can't even talk right now. I will leave more information in the description below. Feel free to reach out. And happy app building. Thank you for watching this video. Do feel free also to click subscribe, like this video. That will let me know if you like this type of content, of course, with better audio next time and better visuals. But go ahead and like and subscribe, And, if you have any questions, just hit up the links in the description. Have a good day or night wherever you are in the world. And I cannot wait to see what you guys come up with.